Echo, we talked about the car. Alright, we talked about the car. That car thing is real. Alright. So I remember even in college, I'm in college and I was fortunate to get some money back. Fortunate to get some money back. And I was sending money home. And then so I wanna, talk to you guys kind of about that. So like recently, I just purchased a property in Atlanta. It was very happy because, again, I'm first gen like you guys, first to go to college, and first to do certain things, and I thought that was really cool that I was able to do that, and it's strictly when I started my debt free journey, I just started writing everything down on a piece of paper. I started realizing credit basics. Alright, but really fast, y'all. Let's y'all think about that. Like, come on. What's your name? Alright, so what you think about it?
I feel like shopping out of insecurity to not look good fast. But we have to remember our foundation to be able to still make effective and healthy decisions. We just doing stuff because we can.
That's a word. Yes, thank you.
Not trauma, but I think experience we had, like overspending and it's hurting and not really.
So what you eat out how many times a week?
Oh, I don't know. But it's kind of like when you go out with friends, it's really fun to eat out. It's typically the cheapest for us. And
You gotta figure out how you're gonna live on that, right? Well, you plan to stay on campus? Yeah, okay. So you decide, right? And so then she decides to move off campus. Like, what does that look like with the income she has with the system? This is why we get alright, how do we set that up for ourselves and after we grad school, okay? So this is an example. It's inspiring.
Now, you just have to think about how I'm going to budget from tonight onwards, I'm going to start actively thinking about it.